does it look like that?
That's not cheating if I wasn't with your ass, yo. You kept secrets and your cousin told me that, so.
Look how pretty this is, y'all. Look at the back deck out there. Like, oh my god. Good morning, guys. Oh, good morning. It's day one and I'm super excited. We're doing a few things today. We got the Children's Museum and we're also going to the Cheesecake Factory, and we're doing Piedmont Park. I don't know if that's how you say it, but, or not Piedmont Park. We were thinking about that, but we're doing Premier Mall or one of those. I've been up since I think 5 a.m. maybe. It's 7:07 a.m. right now. That's an angel number. That's an angel number, but it's 7:07 a.m. right now. Yeah, so I've been up since like 5. But I did find these 2 books here. Let me show you. We got investment banking and critical thinking. So I was thinking I would just look into these and read as much as I can. Oh, this is actually like a study book. Like, this is like a textbook. Oh, it's from Cambridge. I didn't even know that when I picked it up. That's insane. So I got a free class right here. I don't know if we can steal the books from this place. I feel like that would be bad. No, these are like questions. Never mind about this one. But as for investment banking, I will be reading this at some point this week because, babes, we gotta be financially stable, you know, financially intelligent. So that's the plan. Michelle is so loud with that tablet. Also, look here in the room. There's literally. You tell them, girl. There's a Van Gogh painting, like literally, just there. Look how beautiful. But I'm about to sit here and continue reading my book. I'm reading The Mastery of Love right now. And this is how much I have left. Wait, let me make it look right. This is how much I have left. I've read this much. It's such a good book. I can't stress it enough. If you're really into like relationships and just like human connections, or if you have like Venus in the 5th house like me, then you'll really love this book because it really touches on everything you could think of when it comes to how we relate to other humans, whether that be platonically, romantically, or even just like emotionally and like physically. It's insane. He really goes in depth with this book. So if you're into the art of relationship, then there's a book for you. So I'm gonna try to get at least this chapter done because I split it up into sections. So I'm gonna try to at least read this much before we leave today. I just realized I got these windows open. Somebody could just like walk by and look, and that'd be kind of like creepy. But yeah, I may do some trauma healing like I was saying. I usually do it in this book, which is like Torn Over Raggedy. Like my traumatic childhood. That's not funny. That's not funny. But yeah, I'll update y'all. Yeah, as for now, I'm gonna get into The Mastery of Love. We were driving in a getaway car. Say good morning. Good morning. I don't know if I should wear the hat today. We are in Atlanta and I'm not trying to get, you know. Okay, should I not? I don't know. We're gonna go look in the mirror. See how I'm presenting myself today. Oh, whoa. Smack me. I like it. Yeah. Oh. This is a fit. So I actually decided I'm gonna switch out them for these because it's supposed to rain today and I'm not trying to get caught up, you know. Breast toasted and sausage. Because I can't hear you. What'd you say? I'm eating wings for breakfast because she brought stuff that I don't really want. I hope my stomach don't blow up. But honestly, it's worth the risk. Like, I want these wings, so I don't care. I really hope that this video isn't me talking about how my stomach hurts later. In a getaway car. It's the aesthetic, it's the shot, it's the fit for me. I look comfortable because I am comfortable, but the chicken is done, so we're gonna take them out. Oh, that's hot. Okay, it's ready. It's just barbecue wings from Pizza Hut from last night. I don't know what it is with me. I don't like eating breakfast food unless I'm like out, or if it's either fruit or like a whole breakfast, you know. I mentioned that in one of my other videos. I mentioned that in a packing video. It's like fruit or like a whole meal. Okay, still asleep? You still asleep? No? Something wrong or no? Something wrong? Okay. I can't say that I am not mad, because I am mad. Very mad. It's raining, so this is the view.
I saw the water.
So beautiful.
And look, that's the area where we can look inside from the house.
I see. Oh, we should take pictures on that.
Don't get ate up by mosquitoes.
Okay. Okay. It's a bug on this thing. Oh, that's not my door. You know what? Never mind. I forgot I was gonna just get in the front. Ow! It was a spider on that door. Your door? It'll fall off.
Oh yeah, big or little?
It's little. It's not big. Well, that was fun.
We put them on that thing, that's a flood line. Oh yeah.
You guys ready?
Wow.
Oh, please don't stick me. Girl.
I should, just because.
You can rupture my heart.
Your heart over here.
Or my titty.
If she's sticking with
There we go.
somebody goes and hurt. Is your pants up on you right? Let me look at it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm talking about your mom.
Yeah, I got the receipt.
Oh, it's still running. Oh, I see it.
Yay!
How many come on?
No, because
Oh, let me see. Wow.
because we did the green one.
Can I get a hamburger, please? Hamburger, please. Steak. Give me a steak. Yeah. Thank you so much.
These are some crazy.
This is really good. I would like some.
ready to order food?
Okay, hello, excuse me, Miss Waitress. I would like waffles and then 1 piece of bacon. Hey, I heard about this restaurant on Yelp, so here we are reviewing. The steak's a little hard. The grape juice is a little whiny, but that's fine.
Thank you, baby. Oh, you're so sweet. Toast. Yes, thank you.
Cheers. Nice, you got milk, oranges. What's that? Sprinkles. You love some sprinkles, girl. Ketchup? Whoa, what's in there? Oh no. I left my camera on the tractor. No, Mama, don't drive it. Huh? So you gotta catch one and then to reel it, you like, you having fun? That's so cute. Push it, Michael, push it. Yeah, good job. Period. Cute. Hello guys, my name is Coyote Peterson and we're out here at the White House trying to see what Joe Biden is doing as president. I see absolutely nothing. Do you see anything in there, Mila?
Nope.
Wait, and we put up a 10 acres on.
Yeah, 10 acres.
How do I get inside?
Go around that way.
I can't.
What do you want, Mama?
Yeah, you want some dishes? Are you cleaning the dishes?
Mama.
I need to come.
What do you want, Mama?
Turkey leg. It's the turkey. Oh yeah, you can see through there.
I want to see some.
Literally what you're supposed to do. Oh, it comes right back out.
Oh.
Do it again. Oh, so close. Whoa, 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 yeah.
We don't have some more with no ice. Yeah, wait a minute. They won't put ice.
What is so?
What did the dog?
So you're probably wondering why I don't have that much footage, and that's because my camera died, and also I'm about to go to sleep. Like, we just did stuff. After the Cheesecake Factory, we walked around the mall some, and that's not something I really wanted to record because one, I get tired, and two, I just wanted to like enjoy it, you know? But I'm back home now, and I am about to go to sleep. But I want to thank you guys for watching this video. This was day 1 in Atlanta, and the rest of them will be out later. But yeah, bye.
Never!
You booby.